Hi guys, and welcome. I'm Matty.
And I'm Sam.
And we're here at Fochabers to go to the Monster Trails. Come follow us on our mountain bike adventure. But before we go and hit the trails, I need to get the bikes out of the boot.
No you don't, we can use magic.
What?
Watch, I'll show you.
Whoa! No way! You mean like this? Whoa! No way! Come on then, let's go and hit the slopes. So I think we need to address this elephant in the room, Sam.
Yeah, I think we do. Yeah.
At the moment I'm riding the Motobike MX 450, 1 speed.
And I'm riding my Apollo Interzone 18 speed.
So, let's get our helmets on, get to the top of those slopes. We've made it to the top here at the Monster Trails, and we're about to go down the blue trail.
Yeah.
So Sam, when you're ready, dude, drop in.
Yeah.
Drop it! What an awesome day in the woods! We had heaps of fun, we hope you did, and thank you for joining us. And until our next adventure, stay safe!